Most people fail on YouTube before they even upload. It's not because they're not good on camera. It's not because the algorithm hates them. It's because they're starting with the wrong goal. If your goal is views or subscribers or to have your viral moment or to be that guy, you're already playing the wrong game. This is the first video in a free 10 video series that I'm putting out in 2026 to help you achieve your goals. This course is for anyone who's starting at zero or for those who have uploaded videos but feel stuck. It's also for those of you who value income over internet fame. This course is not for those who are chasing their viral moment, and it's definitely not for people who are not interested in learning the basic skills it takes to be successful. And if you don't think you have the patience to work at this over the next 90 days, this course is also not for you. This is not a get famous quick or how to blow up course. This content is all about you building something that can help generate income to help you achieve your goals. This free content is all about showing you how to build something that will actually generate income and help you achieve your goals. My name is Dan Currier. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, consider clicking that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you're alerted to future content. Let's jump right into it. Hey, it always helps to define your goals. That's my goal right there, to retire with my wife with lots of land and some Highland cows. To help me achieve my goal and to get some affordable YouTube graphics, head over to tubetemplates.com using the link in the description below. Being successful on YouTube is all about learning specific skill sets and then using them together to advance your content and your channel and your income. Your YouTube channel is merely a tool in this process. And just like working out or starting that new diet, you're not going to achieve success by doing a thing once. You're going to have to be dedicated and focused on achieving your goals. Over the next several weeks, we're going to touch on some core skill sets and how they relate to YouTube. They include communication, clarity, problem solving, and consistency. The application of these skill sets is going to teach you the right way to approach YouTube and how to be successful while doing it. By demonstrating how to apply these skill sets to YouTube, this material is going to provide you with several outcomes. The first outcome is confidence. Learn how to upload without overthinking every single video. The next outcome is clarity. Understand what to make and why. The third outcome is actually earning your first dollar on YouTube and the internet. You hear lots of talk about ad revenue and revenue stream, but until you actually collect that first dollar, it can all seem like a bit of a mystery. And the fourth outcome is transferable skills. Over the next several weeks, it may seem like we're talking about YouTube and how to achieve things here, but what you'll find is these skill sets can be applied to a variety of places in your life. There are a lot of parallels between being successful on YouTube and being successful in life. And at the end of this course, you'll have a much better sense of how to do both. Throughout this content, we're going to show you how to build a solid foundation and develop the appropriate mindset to be successful. We're also going to talk about exactly how you decide what you want to make content about. And when you actually start making content, you want to make sure that it's content that people want to watch all the way to the end. You'll learn that so much of the success of uploading videos comes way before you've even started recording the video itself. And once you figure all of that out and you start to develop a following and audience for your content, you're going to learn how to move the attention from your content into revenue streams that can help support your channel. And once everything gets rolling, and this is so important, and this is where a lot of content on YouTube stops, I want to show you how to approach making money in a way that you retain that money, you invest that money, and you actually have something to show for your efforts. Too many people make money while they're on YouTube and spend it all before they've had a chance to build any type of wealth with it. And because there's a lot of work involved with this, we're also going to talk about plateaus, how to avoid burnout, and carrying that mindset through to a successful outcome, not only during your high points, but also at your lowest lows. There are definitely ebbs and flows to growing on YouTube, and you want to be prepared for both so that you can be successful. And I'm not just making all of this stuff up. I started YouTube about 8 years ago, definitely had ups and downs, definitely learned a ton of wrong ways to do things, but I've also found some success, not only in building my channel to over 100,000 subscribers and millions of views, but also earning money. Now, you'll never find a video or picture of me standing in front of a Lamborghini with stacks of cash in my hand, but I have successfully made hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube while also having a full-time career. So I'm not only going to show you what worked for me right out of the gate, I'm also going to share with you times when I made mistakes and what I had to do to right the ship. One of the fastest ways to achieve our goals is learning from the mistakes of others. If you can get through that without having to make the mistake yourself, you've saved yourself a lot of time and you're that much closer to your goals. So if this is the kind of material that you've been looking for and you really want to give that sincere effort to being successful on YouTube, I'd like you to do two things. First, click the subscribe button so you're alerted to those future videos from this free course as they come out in the following weeks. And I'm also going to put a free PDF guide in the description below. Go ahead and follow that link and grab the guide so you're ready to go when the next video comes out in about a week. And then stay tuned because we're going to put out a new video each week in 2026. And hey, don't just subscribe. Make a commitment to following the material and learning the lessons that we're going to teach this year to help you achieve your goals here on YouTube and in life. And hey, in the next video, we're going to talk about one of the most important lessons on YouTube, what to make your YouTube channel about. In that video, I'll show you how to choose something that people actually want to watch. And hey, don't let the learning stop here. I'm going to put a video on screen now that's going to help you continue your journey to success here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.